Okay, welcome to section one of module two, first impression persuasion, how to win attention in the first 3 seconds. So let's be real, attention is the new currency. If you can't capture it, you can't convert it. And the biggest mistake I see creators make is starting their content with context instead of connection. They ease in, they warm up, they explain. But the human brain doesn't wait for all that stuff. It's scanning for something emotional, something fast. If you want to win the first 3 seconds, you need to make your audience feel something right away: curiosity, recognition, tension, relief. It doesn't matter which emotion, as long as it sparks one. And here's the simple truth: people don't stop for nice, they stop for that's me. That's why your first line, whether it's a real hook, a caption, or a bio, needs to do one of three things. Number one, make them feel seen. For example, you're doing everything right, but it's still not working, right? Number two, challenge what they believe. Like, the reason people aren't buying isn't your content, it's your psychology. Or number three, make them curious. There's one invisible skill that turns strangers into super fans, and it's not what you think. These are what I call persuasive openings. They're designed to interrupt patterns and make the emotional brain pay attention. Now, once you've grabbed attention, your next job is to hold it. That's where tone, pacing, and emotion come in. If you show up nervous, apologetic, or overly scripted, people sense it immediately. But when you show up certain, calm, confident, even playful, the brain reads that as safety. Confidence equals credibility, credibility equals attention. So whether you're writing or speaking, think of your opening like walking into a room. You've got to own the space from the start. That doesn't mean being loud or salesy. It means knowing your message so well that you don't have to convince. You just state the truth in a way that resonates. Because here's what I've learned: people don't decide to believe after your pitch. They decide in your first few seconds, like we were talking about earlier, the first 3 seconds, if they're going to listen to your pitch at all. Your content doesn't need to scream to be powerful, it just needs to connect instantly. That's first impression persuasion.